Hey there, this is Terry with WTI with one of my husband's favorite Under Armour shirts. I really love how this shirt fits him because it's not too tight and form-fitting, but yet at the same time it's not too loose and baggy. So it's a really nice style and he really likes how it fits also. He's had this shirt for several years now and he uses it in a variety of different ways. Anytime that we go walking or even hiking, he likes to use it, or even if we do workouts. That way it doesn't matter what kind of workout he does, if he's jumping around, if he's doing push-ups, it doesn't bind up or cause any difficulties. And he also likes how fast it dries. So that way if he gets a little bit sweaty, or even if he has to wash it and hang it to dry, it dries really fast and then he's able to use it as soon as possible. This has been one of his favorite shirts. He's had it for years. I have to wash it and dry it constantly and it's really held up. And that is just our point of view.